Hey everyone, stocking stuffer idea for you. This is kind of fun. So this is a refillable deodorant. So you get this cute little case. I love it. It's like this, it feels like it's metal. Yeah, it is metal. But then of course there is some plastic here. And then you get the deodorant that comes in here. And then you pop this in. And then when this is empty, you still have this, so much less waste. You just buy this new one and then pop it in there. I mean, this is so clever. I got the Bumblebee, which I think is adorable. It smells great. I wish you can smell it. You can't smell it through the camera. It comes in so many different variations, and I just love that it's cute. The deodorant itself is aluminum free. So much fun. Links are below. Check this out.